Hi guys! Welcome back! Are you looking to make a twist on your daily salad? If yes, we have something just for you! We present to you a twisted salad! I hope you're gonna enjoy! Mwah!
Let's start by choosing the leaves of this beautiful radicchio. This is a type of chicory that has a bitter and spicy taste. Cut it in lengthways and keep it aside. Take 2 medium-sized Paris mushrooms and cut it in very thin slices. Yes, raw mushroom. Trust me, it is delicious. Delicious. Peel the skin of 1 carrot and with the help of the peeler, make thin ribbons. Super tip! A bit of smokiness in the salad adds a lot of character and depth. Cut this smoked tofu in medium-sized cubes. Choose a nice and fresh broccoli. Cut a few florets and with a paring knife cut the immature little flowers that have a pleasant mild taste. Great for salads. Peel a few kalamata olives or any other black variety of your preference. Hey, clean your section! We also need a few spoons of tahinisauce. Let's mix it all up! In a salad bowl, add the radicchio leaves, smoked tofu, olive oil, ground black pepper, a bit of salt, broccoli, the carrot ribbons, and the slices of mushroom. And give it a good mix. Magic time! Also add pitted black olives, a few spoons of tahini sauce. Don't forget to check the video from last week for the full recipe. I leave you the link on the top right of this video. And an extra touch of olive oil. And now the moment of the truth! Taste time! Et voila! Super salad!